Dr. Hewlin believed that if it's in my reality, there's something in me that has brought it into existence. There's something within me that I need to clean so that I don't see it. This technique, if you do regularly, you will find your own space, you will find your own pace, you will find your own opportunities that fit you perfectly. If I can do it, even you can. And this is why I want to share this beautiful, very potent Hawaiian spiritual healing technique introduced by Dr. Hewlin. Now listen to me. Dr. Hewlin got an opportunity to work at a mental hospital, and the patients were actually criminal. They were murderers, they were rapists, they were doing all sort of scary things, alright. And Dr. Hewlin did not even have to speak to them. What he did was, he went through their files, read their names, and he started repeating the 4 magical statements. I am sorry, please forgive me, I thank you, and I love you. Doing this over time started healing the patients one by one. And not just the patients, even the walls, the plumbing issues that they were facing all started to get better. And there were patients who were chained, there were patients who were caged. One by one, all of them were freed. And half of them left the mental hospital, which is extremely magical because that hospital was known to have a history of employees leaving it and never coming back because no one could survive it. Dr. Hewlin was so sure that he can bring about a change, and so very dedicatedly he kept practicing Ho'oponopono along with his colleagues in the hospital who were working with him. They all made it happen. All the criminals were no more criminals. They all started healing and they all started leading their lives. And this tells us that if an entire mental hospital can be healed, can be changed from negative to positive, we can bring about this change in our lives too. From the little problems to the big problems, we can make it happen. I invite you to my group healing sessions where we heal every single day with Ho'oponopono and various other healing techniques. It's just a few minutes of cleaning, but you'll start experiencing real change in your life. And if you want to deal on a more personal level where we dive deeper into our desires, our blocks and our traumas, then I also offer VIP sessions. And yeah, I'm looking forward to you joining my workshops and my group healing or VIP healings. So DM me on Instagram, which is Wildflower. The link is in the description. Or there's another link directly taking you to the sign up form, again in the description. So yes, that's it guys. This was my first YouTube video. In the next upcoming video, I'll be sharing a lot more. So please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and please share with your friends. Bye. I'll see you again.